Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Shaboozey here with a song called Last of My Kind. This is one of the coolest songs from Shaboozey, in my opinion, as far as when it comes to how it sounds, okay? I love really this melody, this lick going on here. You can use that from the beginning till the very end, but you can also combine that with a cool strumming pattern I'm going to give you later on. But the picking pattern is the main thing of the song. So let's take a look at this one. No need for any capo on this. All right, so we're going clean. We're gonna learn the chord first. So let's start with the E minor. All right, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have the D version. It looks like this. Has a different sound there from the standard D, and I like this D version of it. Shaboozey uses that a lot in his songs, and yeah, very handy. It goes fifth on A, fourth on D, open G, third B, and open E. And then you have the C, and it's very neat because you just take the exact same grip and move it 2 frets away from you on the fretboard. You land on this position, and that will be third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. All right, so E minor, G, D, and C. That's the order of the chords. They come like that in the same way through the entire song. So now first we're gonna focus on the picking patterns, and we're gonna go chord by chord, starting now with E minor. So that part goes like this. Okay, that's the slow version, and okay. And you're gonna hold the chord as it is pretty much, and you go open E string, second A, then comes this part. You're gonna hit it first with an open D, and then you hammer on the second D, okay? So I just picked the open D with my picking hand, and then my fretboard hand hammers on the second D string. And then you continue with open E, then open G, then open E, and open D. And together it goes like this. Alright, open D and end there. Anyway, I think you understand one round of that, and then over to G. Based pattern here, and it goes like this. So you're gonna hold, it's actually enough you just hold the third fret E string in the bass there, and it goes third E, open D, back to third E, open G, third E again, and open D. Right? Then the D chord goes like this. It's actually enough to hold just the fifth on A and fourth on D. You're gonna play fifth A, fourth D, fifth A, then open G, fifth A, and open D. And then you go back to this C, and you're gonna play this part. So that is third on A, and then you have again this technique where you play the first note and hammer on the second. You play open D string, and then you hammer on to get the second D. And then you continue with third A, then open G, third A, and open D. That's the end of C and this melody here. So from E minor to G to D to C, it goes like this, a little bit slower than standard version. It goes like that. So. Alright, that's one round. It's about the same tempo as standard, I believe, so it's not that fast. So that is how you can play from the beginning till the very end, but you can also combine this with a strumming pattern. I'm going to show you that now. So let's go back to the first original chord here, E minor, and we have one strumming pattern that could work for this, and it goes down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up first, and then clap, up, down, up. Alright, so down, up, clap, up, down, up, and tempo. I'm gonna play one of these per chord. Again, of course, the same chord progression. It goes. Jump back and forth. Shaboozey's Last of My Kind. Great song there. Thank you, Mr. Shaboozey, for giving us a great song and many other you released. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, guys, and until next time, play tuned.